Hey there everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a question many of you have probably asked: why do our knuckles crack? When you crack your knuckles, you're actually creating a popping sound. Inside your joints, there's a lubricant called synovial fluid. Stretching your fingers creates negative pressure, causing gas bubbles to burst, making that cracking sound. Cracking your knuckles doesn't lead to arthritis. Research shows it's generally harmless. So, if you enjoy cracking your knuckles, you can probably keep doing it without worry. If you found this video interesting, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more cool science tidbits.